The graph shows the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. For the interval x is between -1 and 8. Find the truth set of x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So on this graph sheet, we have drawn the graph of the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. And the question wants us to use the graph of this function to find the truth set of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. In order to solve this question, what we will do is that we will subtract the equation, the new equation given to us from the function, and then we will draw the resulting line on the graph sheet. The solution to this equation will be the x coordinates of the points of intersection of the line that we will draw and the curve. So let's do that. The function given to us is f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. We are going to subtract this equation from it. So I will arrange the equation in the same way. I will bring the 0 first, and so 0 will be equal to x squared minus 7x plus 6. Now let's do the subtraction. So you have f of x minus 0, and that will give us f of x. This will be equal to x squared minus x squared, and so that will be gone. Then we will have negative 7x minus negative 7x, so that will give us plus 7x, and that one will also be gone. Then finally we will have 10 minus 6, and so this will give us f of x is equal to 10 minus 6, which is 4, because x squared minus x squared will give us 0, and negative 7x plus 7x will also give us 0, and then 10 minus 6 will give us 4. So f of x will be equal to 4. I'm going to clean the ink so that we can continue. Okay, so when we do the subtraction, we will have f of x is equal to 10 minus 4 as we saw, and this will give us f of x is equal to 4. So after subtracting the equation from the function that we have drawn, the resulting equation we have is f of x is equal to 4, which is a linear equation. F of x is equal to 4 is the same as y is equal to 4. So what we will do is that we will draw the graph of the line y is equal to 4 on this same graph sheet. To draw the graph of the line y is equal to 4, all that we need to do is to locate 4 on the y-axis, which will be at this point, and then we will draw a horizontal line through it, just as we have seen here. So this will be the graph of the line y is equal to 4. As you can see, the line y is equal to 4 intersects the curve y is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10 at this point and this point. The solution, or the truth set of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0 will be the x coordinates of these points of intersection. So to get them, we will trace the first one to the x-axis, and we will trace the second one to the x-axis. When we trace the first one to the x-axis, the x coordinates we are getting there is 1. And when we trace the second one also to the x-axis, the x coordinate we are getting there is 6. What it means is that the truth set of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 6 is x is such that x is equal to 1 and 6.